Biodiversity refers to the incredible variety of life forms that exist on our planet. From the smallest bacteria to the largest whales, from tropical rainforests to deep ocean trenches, Earth is home to millions of different species. This diversity isn't just about the number of species, but also about the genetic variation within species and the variety of ecosystems they inhabit. Understanding biodiversity is crucial because it affects everything from the air we breathe to the food we eat, and it plays a vital role in maintaining the balance of our planet's ecosystems. Biodiversity is the variety and variability of all living organisms in an ecosystem. This includes three key components: diversity within species, diversity between different species, and diversity of ecosystems themselves. When we talk about variety, we mean the different types of organisms present. Variability refers to the differences in characteristics among individuals of the same species or between different species. Think of it as nature's portfolio. The more diverse it is, the more resilient and stable the ecosystem becomes. This diversity has taken billions of years to develop through evolution and adaptation. Biodiversity exists at three distinct but interconnected levels. First is genetic diversity, which refers to the variation in genes and traits within a single species. This is what makes individuals of the same species unique. Second is species diversity, which is the variety of different organisms living in an area. This includes everything from plants and animals to fungi and microorganisms. Third is ecosystem diversity, which encompasses the variety of different habitats and communities in a region. Each level is important and contributes to the overall health and stability of life on Earth. These three levels work together to create the rich tapestry of life we observe around us. Genetic diversity is the variation in genes and traits within a single species. Every individual organism carries a unique set of genes that determine its characteristics. A perfect example of genetic diversity can be seen in dogs. All dog breeds, from tiny Chihuahuas to massive Great Danes, belong to the same species, Canis familiaris. Yet they show enormous variation in size, color, coat type, and behavior. This variation exists because of differences in their genetic makeup. Genetic diversity is the raw material for evolution and adaptation, allowing species to respond to changing environmental conditions over time. Genetic diversity is essential for the survival and health of populations. When a population has high genetic diversity, it possesses greater adaptability and resilience to environmental changes. This means the population has a better chance of surviving diseases, climate shifts, or other challenges. Different individuals may carry genes that help them resist certain diseases or tolerate extreme temperatures. On the other hand, populations with low genetic diversity face serious risks. When most individuals are genetically similar, a single disease or environmental change could potentially wipe out the entire population. This is why conservation efforts often focus on maintaining genetic diversity within endangered species. Species richness is one of the simplest ways to measure biodiversity. It refers to the number of different species present in an ecosystem or geographic area. To determine species richness, scientists count how many unique species exist in a given location. This is a straightforward counting exercise. The more species you find, the higher the species richness. For example, a coral reef might have hundreds of fish species, while a polar region might have only a dozen. Species richness gives us a basic understanding of an area's biodiversity, though it doesn't tell us about the abundance or distribution of those species. Different ecosystems show dramatically different levels of species richness. Tropical rainforests, for instance, exhibit extremely high species richness. A single hectare of rainforest can contain thousands of different species of plants, insects, birds, and other organisms. The warm, wet conditions and complex structure of rainforests support this incredible diversity. In contrast, desert ecosystems typically have much lower species richness. The harsh conditions, limited water, and extreme temperatures mean that only specially adapted species can survive there. However, this doesn't mean deserts are less important. The species that do live there are often highly specialized and play crucial roles in their ecosystems. These comparisons help us understand how environmental conditions shape biodiversity patterns across the planet. Let's recap the essential concepts about biodiversity. First, biodiversity exists at three interconnected levels: genetic diversity within species, species diversity between different organisms, and ecosystem diversity across different habitats. Each level is crucial for maintaining healthy ecosystems. Second, genetic diversity is vital because it provides resilience and adaptability to populations. It's like an insurance policy that helps species survive environmental changes and challenges. Third, species richness, which measures the number of different species in an area, is one of the fundamental ways we assess biodiversity. Understanding these concepts helps us appreciate the complexity of life on Earth and why protecting biodiversity is so important for our planet's future.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.